show you how to apply Jhonny Grip to a tile floor from start to finish. Now, I've already done a test area on the tile in my previous video, and I already know that it takes 13 minutes to treat it. These are the tools you'll need. Now, you'll probably already have a rag mop and a bucket like the one you see here. This is just for applying the water. But what you'll also need is an empty 5-gallon bucket and a sponge mop like this one. Now, the reason why I like this sponge mop is because it's got a wide surface area here and it's really great for scrubbing. Also, this mop has no metal on it, so there's nothing that can rust. And at the end, we can just wring it out and we can reuse it. Now, I got this one from Walmart. It's $5. This is the one that I would suggest that you purchase to do this product. You'll also want to put a towel down on the edge of your area so you have some place to set your equipment. Now, there are tiles over here that lead to the bathroom area, and I'm not wanting to treat those right now. And we can't treat half of a tile because there's a good chance you'll see the difference. So what we're going to do is go ahead and stop right here at that grout line. That way we make sure that we treat it properly. First thing we'll do is we'll pour the product in the bucket. We'll go ahead and start applying the product. We're just going to mop it on just like you'd normally mop a floor. Okay, and we're going to go right to the edge of that grout line just like we had talked about earlier. And if you have a larger area, you're going to want to walk in it just like I'm doing now. And you want to make sure that you get the entire area covered. Okay, now we wait 5 minutes. Now that the 5 minutes is up, what we're going to want to do is run the mop back over top of the tiles. Now, you don't have to apply any new product to it, but what you're doing is just running the mop over top of them to drag the product back on top of the tile. What will happen is the product will run down off the sides of the tile into the grout lines. So you're just basically scrubbing it and smearing it around to make sure that the tile stays covered the entire time. Okay, now we wait 5 more minutes. Alright, now we're on our last stretch of 5 minutes. We've been a total of 10 minutes. So once again, I'm going to run the mop over top the tiles to smear the product around and make sure it all stays wet. We've reached our 13-minute time limit that we've previously determined in another video. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and apply some fresh water, which is what I'm doing now. And this is going to dilute the product. And just apply a generous amount to it. There's no reason to really have a lake back here, but just a decent amount, about 3 times of the amount of product that you originally applied. Alright, now we'll just go ahead and dry it off. Simply wring your mop out, soak the water back up, just mop it till it's dry.